Hey guys, my name is Darin from Mustanggurus, and today we are doing another Sound Sunday episode because I had a lot of fun making Sound Sunday episode 1, so I said why not make another one and just keep the series going. It's going to be a lot of fun. I do have my email set up now, so you guys can email me right here. When you email me your video of your car, just say hashtag Mustang and shout out. That's all you have to do, is just send that with the video clip of your exhaust system on your Mustang, and I will end up featuring you in one of my Sound Sundays. But without further ado, guys, let's get into the next Sound Sunday. So the clip number 1, guys, is a 2001 New Edge Mustang. Normally a 4.6 liter, but it's a Coyote swapped, so it is now a 5 liter. I'll tell you what, this thing sounds so good that I even want to get a 5.0 now. I don't actually know the exhaust setup on this Mustang. It doesn't mention anywhere, but I just thought it sounds so good, so I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like. Alright guys, so clip number 2 is a Ford Mustang Ecoboost this time. I'm giving the Ecoboost people out there some credit. This is the best sounding one I've actually ever heard. All it is, just a tune and a simple muffler delete. I actually like the way it sounds, but I do like the V8 engines a lot more. Well anyways guys, here's what it sounds like. Alright guys, so clip number 3, certainly not the worst Mustang of this whole entire thing. It might be the best, but it is another Coyote Mustang with Roush axle backs, resonator delete, and KW coilovers. So I think this thing sounds amazing. It looks beautiful. It's a black and red, so perfect combination, accented perfectly. This is a longer clip than the other two, so grab your snacks, grab your drinks, and enjoy the rest of this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part of the video, which Mustang you think sounded the best. Also tell me if you like the Ecoboost. I actually thought that one sounded pretty good. I want to set a short-term goal for me and you guys. I want to have at least one video clip submitted within 2 weeks. I'm hoping we can do that. That'd be pretty cool. It's also a shout out for you guys, so it's actually in your favor. Remember, it doesn't matter what kind of Mustang you have. It can even be a V6. It doesn't really matter. It could be another Ecoboost like I featured in this episode, but if you think your Mustang sounds cool, just submit it and I'll definitely feature you guys. But anyways, I'll catch you guys on my next video.